everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. If you're looking for a beautiful and functional set of knives, you have found the right ones here. These are by Chrome Club. They're the stainless steel white and gold knife sets with a block. I really like that this has a perfect ergonomic handle with a non-slip grip. It's super comfortable for you to use. You're going to see how well designed everything is. It's everything you need for your kitchen. This scissors is 3-in-1. It's a nutcracker and a bottle opener. The clear display case allows you to proudly showcase your knives, adding class to your kitchen, and at the same time, it doesn't have you guessing which knife you are selecting. This knife set comes with a built-in sharpener as well. This set of knife not only comes in white, but it comes in other colors as well, like pink. This would make the perfect gift for any of your friends or for yourself. With that being said, I highly recommend this set of knives. They are beautiful. Everybody's going to be complimenting, but that's just my point of view.